So those are all the shapes that we learned last week. I want you to think about those shapes today as you go on a little discovery for something new. Think about the shapes that we have already learned and how you can use them to find out your problem, because you're going to get to discover if there is a shape at your desk, which there is. You have to turn over your shape and look at your shape. And then you have to decide, or your picture, I guess, you have to decide which poster your picture goes on. So you're going to have to walk around and decide where you think that your picture should go when you look at its shape. Look at it. Oh, when you're done, you can come back and scholar. Timothy, where's your picture? If you're done, if you don't have a picture, where should you be? Level 0, Jaren. I can follow directions, Janae follow directions, and Alton follow directions. You think it belongs there? Stick it on. If you think it belongs there, you can find a spot. Will you help me round them up? The posters. Alton, can you explain to us something you think doesn't belong here?
I think doesn't belong here, there, in the popcorn.
The popcorn. And why would the popcorn not belong with 8 corners and all 6 sides are squares? How come this doesn't belong? Tell me, Alton.
Because it have one circle at the bottom, and it have the part of the popcorn in the middle.
Oh, so you think this is a point. So if it had a circle, this one, does this have any circles?
No.
No, so it doesn't belong there. Who had the popcorn? Do they want to try again? Katie, you did not have the popcorn. Marcus, you want to try again? Where do you think it should belong? Come and try. Now what do we think? If we took the popcorn out, then it wouldn't have that point, would it? It would just be a container. Good job, Marcus. And why would a Jack-in-the-Box not belong?
Because it has a circle at the bottom and a circle at the top right.
Are you talking about the actual doll?
Yeah, the doll have the doll have a triangle head on his head.
True. Who had the Jack-in-the-Box? Kaylin, why did you choose the Jack-in-the-Box to go with here?
Because at the top at the yellow thing, it got 4 corners and it looked like a square. At the bottom, it looked like a square too.
So she's looking at the actual box, and Kendrick was looking at his hat. Now, if we looked at his hat, where would that belong, Kendrick? Right over here, yeah. But is Kaylin right that the box is made out of squares? Good. So since she's looking at the box, we'll leave that one there. The ice cream cone. Who had the ice cream cone? I see you saw a triangle, right? Is there a square in an ice cream cone? So let me see if I turn it upside down. I see the triangle, but at the bottom, what shape would that be? So where do you think the cone should go? You want to try it again? Do you have an idea, Jory? You want us to help you? Okay, come this way. All right, Jory's going to show you a book. I have a real life shape. What shape is this?
Circle.
What shape is this?
Circle.
Do you see any points?
No.
Guess what this is called?
A cylinder.
What is this called?
A cylinder.
This is called a cylinder. Good. And I have the word cylinder to put up there for you. Here we go. So, a shape that has a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and no points is called a
Cylinder.
This is called a cube. Let's see what a cube has. Are you ready?
Yep.
Well, first look at the bottom. What shape is this?
Square.
Square, 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 square. Okay, so it's all made up of squares. There are 6 of them, it says. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one back. 5 and 6. There are 6 squares. Now, let's see how many corners it has. Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 corners. There are 6 squares and 8 corners in the shape. This shape is called a cube. What is it?
Cube.
Cube. Let's say it one more time.
Cube.
Good. What is it called?
A cone.
Cone. Just like the ice cream cone, it is called a cone. Look at the circle. Where's the circle at?
Bottom.
At the bottom. Where's the point at?
Top.
Because if I tried to put it this way, just like your ice cream cone, don't ever do this with your ice cream cone. Because then you're going to be crying because what's going to happen? You're going to lose your ice cream. Called cone, and it should have a circle on the bottom. So if you think about your Christmas tree, is it a circle around the bottom? Does the top go to a point? Because what do you put at the top? The star or the angel, whatever. So let's look at Timothy's. He decided that the Eiffel Tower is a pyramid. Thank you to those of you who are participating. He decided that Eiffel Tower is a pyramid. Now, I thought I was going to trick him. I thought I was going to trick all of you. But why did he choose the Eiffel Tower as a pyramid?
Because it got 4 corners.
4 triangles. 1, 2, and then there's 2 in the back. 3 and 4. 4 triangles.
And it got 1 square.
Where's the square? At the bottom, because the points, they all come to a square. Okay, and then 5 corners. 1 at the top, and then 1 here. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 1 back there. 5. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So everyone should have a line from the cone to the word cone. What's the next picture down? Alton? That one's a tricky one. Look at the board maybe. What could help you? Does it look like this? That? 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 He says it looks like this one. Does anyone remember it? Let's say it together.
Rectangular.
Ready?
Egg.
Good. What's my word?
Egg.
What do you know this is at the end, Ivan? CK, because you heard a and where is it at?
At the
At the end. Okay, now I'm going to play a trickster game. This is tricky because you should only jump when you hear at the
end.
Don't be tricked. Don't be tricked. If you hear at the beginning, will you jump?
No.
Okay, so we are going to play our jumping game. Have a seat and listen to directions first. We're going to play our jumping game, and it goes like this. You should be standing in your square at all times. When you stand up, you are going to be listening for what sound? What sound? What sound? There we go. And where will it be found?
At the end.
Only at the end. If you don't hear at the end, stand still. If you hear at the end, jump one time. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. We're going to have you sit down until the next round. Okay? So that's okay. Don't worry about it. When we tell you to sit, you should be sitting in scholar. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Kashira, for answering quietly. Kashira, answer quietly. Are you ready?
Yes.
On the count of 3, stand up. Ready? 1, 2, 7. Oh, good. We need listening ears. You need to listen because you're listening for k. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And let's practice with one of the words we just did. Ivan, you ready?
Yeah.
Trick. Where did you hear the k?
At the end.
Excellent job. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here's for real. Pack. Sit. Oh, I didn't drink it. Stack. Pick. Cat. Oh, I got some of you now. Have a seat, have a seat, have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. If you jumped, have a seat. Marcus, we're not playing. Marcus, have a seat. Kashira, you jumped? Okay, here we go. Candle. Ooh, I got some more people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a seat. Shania. All right. Remember, we're listening for the sound, and where is it found?
At the end.
At the end. So Kevin and Shania, you should still be listening. Here we go. Langston. Snack. Pack. Back. Stick. Oh, good. You didn't jump. Essie, you didn't jump. Have a seat. Stick has at the end of the word. Very good. Trenton. No? Caitlin. Caitlin has a C, but it's at the beginning, so it's not CK. Are you ready? Trenton, you have to be sitting. Kendrick. Oh, we have 2 people who are still in. Everybody else. Ivan and Kalia, you're still in. Everybody else is down. Okay. Okay, now I have to. It has to be very quiet so we can see who the winner is. Are you ready? Oh, wait, it's not quiet. Pack. Rat. Oh, you both are out. Come on. Does rat have... No. Okay, let's give Kalia and Ivan a round of applause. You will both earn a sticker, and everyone, on the count of 5, stand up. 7. Oh, that's not how we count?
No.
Where should I start?
1.
Okay, 1, 2, 9. Okay, why don't you guys help me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, ready? Come on, Cameron. Track.